Hello there. Today we are going to make a simple video on difference of two squares. Okay, now by difference in mathematics we mean subtract. So the difference between 5 and 3 in math simply means take 3 away from 5 and you're going to get 2. What do we mean by difference of two squares? So difference of two squares. Difference of two squares means that you should have a number squared minus another number squared. So in our previous example, we tried 5 minus 3 as the difference between 5 and 3, and that was 2. The difference between 5 squared and 3 squared now becomes difference of two squares, because 5 is squared here and 3 is also squared. So difference of two squares. This is just difference of two numbers, not difference of two squares. Now, the general rule for solving difference of two squares goes this way. The first number squared, a, can be any number at all. It is a variable, minus a second number squared. B can also be any number at all. So you can simply solve it this way. A minus B, bracket closed, A plus B. Let's try this for 5 squared minus 3 squared. It's going to be 5 minus 3 and 5 plus 3. Now, traditionally, we know that this is 25 and that is 9. 5 minus 3 should give us 5 minus 3 should give us 2. 5 plus 3 should give us 8. Solving this, we also get 16, and that also gives us 16. This means that it worked. Let's try one last example. 7 square minus 4 square. 7 square is 49 and 4 square is 16. So in difference of two squares, applying the principles and that difference of two squares, we will have 7 minus 4 and a new bracket 7 plus 4. 7 minus 4 gives us 3, and 7 plus 4 will give us 11. 3 times 11 will give us 33. This should also give us 33. So indeed, difference of two squares also work. One last example. 8 square minus 6 square. Okay, so we're just applying the difference of two squares. We have 8 minus 6. Remember not to bring the squares again. And 8 plus 6. That should give us 2. And this gives us 14. And that is 28. Let's confirm if our answer is correct. 8 squared gives us 64. Minus 6 squared, which gives us 36. And yes, that also gives us 28. Okay, so in the next video, we will learn how to use difference of two squares in factorization. So